Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message general and primary option not showing problem. So first of all you have to do is open your Instagram app on your phone and then go to the chat section. From here you can see I have all of my chat or my inbox, but there is no primary or general option showing in the chat box. From here what I have to do is go back to your profile by clicking on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here you have to select the hamburger menu on the top right corner. Your settings will open. You have to scroll down a bit until you see account type and tools. Click on it and click on switch to professional account, and it will give you some instructions how to switch to professional account. Go through the process. Once you have done switching your account back to professional, then open your inbox once again. And voila, your primary, general and request section will be shown on your inbox. And that's how to fix Instagram message general and primary option not showing problem. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.